Hello friends, today we are going to study official bodies related to ERTMS, which is very important topic in high-speed railway signaling and control systems. ERTMS is not developed by a single country or a single organization. Instead, it is the result of coordinated efforts by several international and European institutions. Understanding these bodies will help you clearly understand how interoperability, safety, and standardizations are achieved in modern railway signaling. Before going into technical details, let us first understand why these organizations are required. Railway systems across different countries were historically developed independently. This resulted in different signaling systems, different safety rules, and lack of interoperability. To solve these issues, several official bodies were formed. In today's lecture, we will focus on four major organizations: UIC, UNISIG, CENELEC, and ERTMS Users Group. Each of these bodies play a distinct but interconnected role in development of ERTMS. UIC, International Union of Railways. UIC stands for, this is a French word, I don't know how to pronounce this, just read it. Simply it means International Union of Railways. UIC is a global association for cooperation among railway stakeholders. It was founded in 1922 with the objective of promoting standardization, interoperability, and improvement of railway construction and operation systems. UIC acts as a platform where railway organizations from across the world collaborate. UIC membership and scope. Today, UIC has 171 members around the world. These members include national railway administrations, railway operators, infrastructure managers, and public transport companies. The scope of UIC covers conventional railways, high-speed railways, and urban and suburban transport systems. Thus, UIC is not limited to Europe. It operates at a global level. UIC Modern Focus Area. In recent years, UIC has updated its objectives to address modern challenges. Its focus now includes liberalization of railway transport, globalization of railway markets, improving competitiveness of railway transport, promoting sustainable transport, and reducing environmental impact and climate change effects. The headquarters of UIC is located in Paris, France. UIC objectives. According to its statutes, UIC has four main objectives: to ensure international railway cooperation, to strengthen the competitiveness and development of railway transport, to represent and promote railway interest worldwide, to create synergies among global railway entities. These objectives directly support the philosophy behind ERTMS. UIC Spanish presence. Spain is actively represented in UIC. ADIF and RENAFE operator are full members, and Spain has some associate members also. This shows how national railway organizations contribute to international cooperation. UNISIG, Union Industry of Signaling. Now let us move to UNISIG. UNISIG stands for Union Industry of Signaling. It is a working group under UNIFE, the Association of European Railway Industry. UNISIG was founded in 1998 with a very specific goal to develop the specifications for ERTMS/ETCS. UNISIG key specifications. UNISIG is responsible for preparing the most important technical documents of ERTMS. SRS, System Requirements Specification, and FRS, Functional Requirements Specification. These documents define how the system should behave, what functions the system must perform, and safety and performance requirements. Most of these specifications were developed between 1999 and 2007. UNISIG member companies. UNISIG is composed of a leading signaling manufacturers. Founding members include Alstom, Ansaldo STS, Bombardier, Invensys, Siemens, and Thales. Later, AZD, Praha, and CAF also became members. These companies bring industrial expertise and practical implementation experience into ERTMS development. UNISIG working structure. UNISIG operates through specialized working groups. Each group is responsible for functional requirements, safety requirements, technical requirements, and system validation and testing. The specification cover both onboard equipment and trackside equipment. This ensures complete system compatibility. UNISIG continuous evolution. ERTMS is a living system, and so are UNISIG specifications. The documents are continuously updated to include new technologies, correct errors and ambiguities, incorporate feedback from national projects. This continuous improvement ensures high reliability, safety, and interoperability. CENELEC introduction. Next we move to CENELEC. CENELEC stands for European Committee for Electrotechnical Standardization. It was established in 1973 following the merger of CENEL and CENELCOM. CENELEC is a non-profit technical organization. CENELEC membership. CENELEC consists of 33 European member countries and 12 affiliated countries. Each country is represented through its National Electrotechnical Committee. CENELEC is governed under Belgium law. CENELEC objectives. The main objectives of CENELEC is development of European electrical and electronic standards, creation of a single European market, elimination of trade barriers, reduction of costs, and creation of new markets. CENELEC role in railways. In railway signaling, CENELEC plays a crucial role in safety standards, quality assurance, and product evaluation. CENELEC standards such as EN 50126, EN 50128, and EN 50129 are essential for railway signaling safety certification. Environmental protection is also considered. ERTMS Users Group formation. The ERTMS Users Group was formed by railway administrations of Germany, France, and Italy, later joined by Spain, Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. In 2006, Switzerland and Sweden also joined. ERTMS Users Group Key objectives. One major objective was to test the feasibility of using mobile telephony for automatic train protection system (ATP). The aim was to reduce fixed trackside installations and increase system flexibility. Moran project. This objective was achieved through the Moran project. The project involved experimental testing in Germany, France, and Italy. The Moran project successfully demonstrated the feasibility of GSM-based ATP, which later became GSM-R in ERTMS. ERTMS Users Group Technical Role. The Users Group is responsible for writing and reviewing the FRS, defining the tolerable hazard rate (THR), and supporting technical interoperability. Their work ensures that the system meets operational safety targets. ERTMS Users Group Operational Role. Operationally, the group focuses on harmonization of operational rules, human factor analysis, pilot testing and national railway lines, linking pilot projects with commercial deployments. This ensures real-world applicability of ERTMS. To summarize, UIC provides global coordination and policy direction. UNISIG develops technical specifications. CENELEC ensures safety and standardization. ERTMS Users Group validates operations and interoperability. Together, these organizations make ERTMS a truly interoperable European railway signaling system. Okay, thank you.